What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Jim Chineri Chevrolet in O'Fallon, Missouri, getting to talk with Kyle Chineri to learn a little bit more about Jim Chineri Automotive Group and what they're all about. So what made you want to get into the car business?
Well, for starters, I've always loved cars. It's always been kind of just cars in my blood. I want to be outdoors. I want to be out driving, just cruising around in a cool car because it's something I enjoy. I would have race cars before, that's just fun to me.
Would you say you have the need for speed?
Ask anyone around here if they've driven with me, I'd say yes, I have the need for speed.
Okay.
I always wanted to be in this business. My father got in the business 40 plus years ago selling cars and worked his way up through management and other dealerships and then managed to purchase his own.
And I think that's a big thing, obviously, with you, being a second generation, to really understand, where you came from and where you are now. And what would you say to somebody that's never visited a Jim Chineri location?
I think you're gonna get a different experience from what you're used to. Most people walk into the dealership scared. It's just, that's what it is. They have this feeling that they're gonna be beat up, basically when they buy a car, and the typical car salesperson, and we get a bad rap, us and attorneys, basically. There's a reason there's a stereotype out there because it exists.
Right.
He wants to sell you a car and then he's pushing you out the door and he's giving you the keys and he's on to the next one. People like that don't stay in the Jim Chineri organization. They don't work because that's not the way we work. We don't want you to just walk out of here and go to a different Chevrolet dealership again. We want you back. So when you walk in, you're going to feel welcome. We are excited that you're here. We're excited to sell you a car. We're excited to service your vehicles.
And I think that's a big thing, is the stigma about going into a dealership and the comfort level and things like that. And you guys seem to ease a lot of tension in regards to the way that you approach people and welcome people. What would you say is one of the things that you love about the car business?
I've been a car nut ever since I was a little kid. I couldn't wait to sit on my dad's lap and drive the car, But not only that, I started out as a porter and I worked my way into different areas of the dealership, and I learned about people. You meet all kinds of people in each part of the dealership business. And I enjoyed it. I enjoyed being with the people that work here, and I enjoy meeting the people that come in here every day. It was just always impressive to me how my father had done what he did. And I don't want that legacy to end. We want you back. And we're gonna give you a great deal on it, and we're gonna give you the service that'll get you back here. Thank you all for watching it. If you want to know more about the Jim Chineri experience, visit any of our 5 locations.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, or as always, you can visit the website, jimchineri.com.